Philemon, we're meeting today to talk about our math goal setting. And as you remember, back in November, we took our CBA 1, and then you had made a goal. Your goal was to make 40%, but we were at 18, okay? Then we took our CBA. You were at a 33%, and your goal is 60, okay? So do you remember last week we talked about SMART goal setting? Okay, so in order for it to be SMART, it has to be specific. What exactly do you want to achieve? Is it measurable, which we can measure it by being able to graph it? Is it attainable? Because remember we talked about the score you made and the amount you want to try to go up to reach. Is it attainable? Then we talked about, is it realistic, and is it timely? So looking at our next CBA, it's going to be January the 22nd. All right. So we need to start thinking about a goal that we want to make for that test. Okay. So is there a goal in mind that you would like to strive for to reach? So you want to be at 35. That's your goal for the next CBA, is to be at a 35%. Okay. I'm going to pick a colored crayon. We're going to color that in. Here. All right. And then so after we have this test, we'll have a couple of weeks and we're going to get ready and take our common assessment too. Okay. So that's going to be on February 12th. Do you want to go ahead and start thinking about a goal, or do you just want to concentrate on the first one? Then after we get this results back, then we can look at your common assessment. What do you want to do? You just want to concentrate on this one right here? Okay. So we want, our goal is to be at a 35 because the first one you were at 18%. So we want to make double the amount of score that we got last time. What are some steps that you can take in order to help you? About some strategies that we've learned. Okay, so we have the cube strategy. I know Miss Pinson been working with you about writing your place value chart down, right? So taking those steps, actually looking at the question, right? What is the question asking you to do? What about timing? Do you feel like you're rushing yourself, or do you feel like you give yourself enough time to answer those questions? Okay, so your pace is good. So taking the time you use is good enough. Okay, what can I do to be able to help you reach your goal?
Teach me more math and
so the more math concepts and strategies. Okay, so what I'm going to do on my end, I'm going to remind you every time we do problems, because you know on these common assessment as well as the common benchmark, they're word problems, right? So we got to make sure we understand what the problem is asking us, looking at all the answer choices. Do we ever guess?
no.
We take our time, we eliminate the answer choices, right? So just taking our time. And so we got to make up a good plan in order to be able to make the score that you want, the goal you want to try to achieve. Okay? Do you have any questions?
No.
All right. Well, I look forward to seeing you achieve your goal. What are you going to do if you make your goal? How are you going to celebrate?
I use the say yes.
You're going to say, yes, you did it, right? All right. You got this, all right? All right.